focus. And that is why most of the boards we see in schools and colleges and universities, they are simply white or green. No designs are made. So I request the host school and I appeal them. I sincerely apologize if I hurt their feelings. The topic of discussion is nationalism, freedom movement, and Gandhian. But before I start my talk, let me tell you that history is thought to be the most important layer to begin with. Means if you want to know something or if you want to know the reality, the first thing that you need to do is go to history and try to see how things happen. I know the topic I selected, basically it is meant for class 12. A very serious topic, the most debatable topic in the current scenario. Simply look at the board. That this freedom movement, actually it can be divided into different parts. The first part may be labeled as the pre-Gandhian way. When we use this word, the pre-Gandhian way or the pre-Gandhian time, it simply means the time before the arrival of Mahatma Gandhi. And the second one can be considered, can be called Gandhian way or the Gandhian time, not after Gandhi. After Gandhi means after the significance of Gandhi was over and the time came, the significance of Mahatma Gandhi can never change. But students, look at the board. The pre-Gandhian era, it begins from the 1757 and it lasts up to 1940 when the First World War begins. Mahatma Gandhi arrived in India in 1915 and then the Gandhian era started. Just see, we have freedom fighters by tons. From 1757, we see the Nawab of Bengal, Sirajuddin. He fought Plassey battle, and then the journey goes on up to 1857. Very good. The Queen of Jhansi, she fought bravely, and later on she got killed. Many more. But we could not get ourselves liberated from the British for more than 200 years. Before I come to my topic, I sincerely state, if I prove apple to be the healthiest fruit, that does not mean I am criticizing oranges. No. So when I say that Mahatma Gandhi, he stands above all, he takes the highest position among freedom fighters, why? Let's analyze it further. When we talk about this phase, in 1885, Indian National Congress was formed and then it was divided into different categories of hardcore. We are not talking about it. We are only talking about it. One important thing, why Mahatma Gandhi stands up. If you refer to your book, the second chapter, Nationalism in India, class 10, there is a statement recorded there. And the statement Mahatma Gandhi said when the non-cooperation movement was going on, that if you non-cooperate with full might and main, if you are truthfully non-cooperating with the British government, I promise you India will get liberated within a year. This is a recorded statement of Mahatma. Now analyzing it further, Subhash Chandra Bose, he was thinking something else. Sardar Bhagat Singh, Sukhdev Rajguru, they were thinking something else. Some other freedom fighters, they were also thinking. And Mahatma Gandhi came in 1915, in 1916, he addressed Banaras Hindu University, and many more movements like Champaran, Kheda, Ahmedabad, Gilbarkar, and then his three famous movements: non-cooperation, civil disobedience, and quit India. Now, see how Gandhi. He takes the first line. The first and most important, get relaxed, I am not taking out gun. I'm just taking out something which is important. First man on the face of the earth. And from where did he take this principle? Bhagavad Gita. The book is there in my bag. You can refer to chapter 7, chapter 2, verse 48-49. It talks about. So Gandhi was first person who said, power does not win, it is truth that wins. He is the first man on the face of the earth who said that if you are non-violent and if you are doing satyagraha, you will win. Mahatma Gandhi was the first man on the face of this earth who believed in commoners, common people. Earlier, all the freedom fighters, they were thinking that only, rich, affluent, educated people can do revolt. Gandhi said, no, until you count commoners in, India can never be liberated. And we see, that's why he is known as mass mobilizer, a mass leader. Mahatma Gandhi is the first man on the face of this earth who said that we will fight all our war with ethics, with morality. We will not be breaking any of the principles while fighting against our enemy, and they were British. Students, today we have human rights organization and see what's happening across the globe. Just imagine how much cruel the British were at the time of Gandhi. And he took a lathi in his hand and he said that I am truthful. I know how to do satyagraha, and he did it. Thank you very much. Still, time is over, otherwise I will have an interview. Thank you very much.